The number 10 thing I wish I knew before buying an RV is don't 100% trust your dealer. Now, don't get me wrong, our salesman was a great guy. The manager of the RV place was a great guy. I saw them a few months later at an RV show. They were super nice, remember me by name, and they were really cool. And honestly, if I called them with a problem, they would try to help within their limits, and I really appreciate that. But at the end of the day, they're responsible for selling me and you a travel trailer or an RV or a camper, however you want to look at it. So that's their job. They are not really responsible for the quality of the product. So that brings us to number 9. Number 9 is don't trust the manufacturer. Now, the manufacturer as a whole is not responsible for the production line, what the guys do on the floor when they're building your camper, what needs to be done later for maintenance or warranty work. They are responsible for the quality control, the design, and just the overall comfort, satisfaction, and enjoyment of their customers. As you'll see in our Grand Design videos, there are numerous people that are furious with Grand Design and the frame flex issues that have been going on. I myself personally have been irritated with Braxton Creek over our free solo camper. Now, it's not Braxton Creek the company's fault, but to me as a consumer, they do take a hit because of the things I've had to work on. Number 8, RV inspections. I saw plenty of videos and posts about be sure to get your RV inspected. And now, honestly, we were trying to get an RV for as cheap as we could. We really wanted one, but we wanted one as good as we could get for as cheap as we could get. Is that on us? Absolutely, 100%. Should we have got it inspected? Probably so. Definitely strongly consider getting your RV inspected. I don't care if it's brand new, never been touched, or it's used, you're buying it from Billy Bob down the street. See if you can get an RV inspection to get an honest, independent evaluation of what you're fixing to sink a lot of money into. Number 7 on our list is the tow vehicle. Be sure to get a camper that your tow vehicle can handle. Otherwise, you're going to have to buy a new vehicle. One of the reasons why we picked the free solo was because of the weight and the amount that our Honda Pilot could tow. Number 6, how cool is it to own an RV or a travel trailer after years and years of tent camping? We were tired of deflating air mattresses. Next on our list, how much is this thing going to actually cost me? While some people are able to pay cash, I have heard that dealers will mark up a price for cash because they are interested in getting loans with interest rates and they get some kind of kickback. I don't know. We had to get a loan for this thing. We had a little bit of money to put down, but for the final cost of it, we did have to get a loan. RV loans interest rates are definitely higher than car interest rates or even home interest rates. Number 4 on the list, how much is the maintenance on these things? How much do I have to work on them? When you see people say, I have to constantly work on my RV, I have to constantly work on my travel trailer, they're really not lying to you. There always seems to be a little something that needs to be worked on. All right, number 3 on our list of what I wish I knew before owning an RV is the amount of freedom this provides. We can hook this thing up to our Honda Pilot and we could go just about anywhere. And it takes so little time to set up compared to when we were tent campers. That's more time for cooking, friends, family, chilling out, relaxing. I absolutely love this thing. The number 2 thing on our list is when you own a travel trailer or RV, it will hook you more on camping than you already think you are. The number 1 thing I wish I knew before I bought an RV, how helpful the RV and travel trailer community is. There are tons more people who want to help, who love doing this, that want to support anybody that's interested in it. And I highly recommend that if you're interested in doing this, take the leap and go for it.